In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Tradervue Commission Tracking. Getting commissions right is essential for understanding your real performance. The good news is, once you set things up properly, your costs will flow into your trades and your reports automatically, so you can focus on analysis instead of math. Start by bringing in your trades with commission data. Head to Import Trades in your account. From here, you can upload your broker's CSV file, or use the Broker Sync option if it's available to you. As you import, make sure the file includes a commission or fees column. Tradervue looks for that field, and when it finds it, attaches those costs to each execution. Many brokers include this by default, though sometimes it may be labeled slightly differently. If your file includes those fields, you're set. Your commissions will be tracked automatically when the import completes. If your broker file doesn't include commission data, you can still keep your numbers accurate by setting estimates. Click your username to open your profile menu, then open Settings. Go to Trade Settings and find Commission Settings. This is where you define how Tradervue should estimate your commissions and fees. Use the structure that best reflects how your broker charges, whether it tends to be per share, per contract, or per trade. If you're unsure, check a recent statement to get a realistic baseline. You can always refine these estimates later to better match your actual costs. Once your trades are in, review how commissions appear on individual trades. Go to Trades, open a trade you want to inspect, and scroll down to the Executions section. There, you'll see the commission values associated with each fill, so you can confirm that your data or your estimates are being applied as expected. This view helps you catch anything unusual, like missing fees or unexpected amounts, before it skews your overall results. To see how commissions impact your performance at a higher level, go to Reports. Choose a report that fits what you want to analyze: daily, instrument level, or broader summaries, and then toggle between gross and net P&L. Gross shows results before commissions and fees. Net shows your true bottom line after costs. Use this toggle to understand how much commissions are affecting your strategies and to compare the raw edge of your trades against the actual take-home results. That's it. Import with commission fields when available. Set estimates when they're not. Verify on individual trades and analyze in reports with the gross and net toggle.